Hello friends, welcome to the channel Learn English for JK. In the video, we are going to learn Oxford vocabulary, Hindi meaning, antonym, synonym, use word in sentences. Episode 7-9 and today's word are radical, adjective, Hindi meaning purna. Definition in English concerning the most central and important parts, something through and complete. In the sentence, there have been demands for radical reform of the law. Word family radically, adverb, antonym, conservative. Ramification. It's a noun. Hindi meaning upashaka. Definition: a consequence of an action or event, especially when complex or unwelcome. Use: the political ramification of setting the factory would be remains. Antonym: course. Range. Noun. Hindi meaning shreni. Definition: the limits between which something or varies. Is in sentence: the student in class 4 have a very wide range of ability. Rapid. Adjective. Hindi meaning tura. Definition: happening in short period of time, done or happening very quickly. Using sentence: there has been a rapid rise in sales. Word family rapidity. Noun. Antonym slow. Rapport. Noun. Definition: a friendly relationship in which people like and understand each other. In sentence: honesty is essential if there is to be a good rapport between patient and the therapist. Rational. Adjective. Hindi meaning tarkasangat. Definition: based on reason and fact rather than emotions. Using sentence: there's no rational explanation for his action. Word family rationality. Noun. Rationally. Adverb. Antonym irrational. Realism. Noun. Hindi meaning yatharthavad. Definition: a way of accepting and dealing with situation as they really are without being influenced by your emotions or by falsehoods. Using sentence: there was a new mood of realism among the leaders at the peak talk. Word family realistic. Adjective realistically. Adverb. Antonym insincere. Reality. Noun. Hindi meaning vastavikta. Definition: the true situation and the problems that actually exist in life, in contrast to how you would like life to be. Is in sentence: you are out of touch with reality. Antonym fantasy. Realize. Verb. Hindi meaning ehsas. Definition: to understand or become aware of a particular fact or situation. Is in sentence: I didn't realize you were so unhappy. What family realization. Noun. Antonym miss. Realm. Noun. Hindi meaning kshetra. Definition: an area of activity, interest or a knowledge. Using sentence: questions of consciousness lie outside the realm of physics. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment. If you like, please hit like button and share your video WhatsApp and Facebook, and subscribe channel and press bell icon to get new video notification.